quadratic, as I mentioned, the main important thing you guys need to do is, first thing is set it equal to 0. So you add 16 to both sides. So x squared plus 10x equals 0. Oops. Plus 16 equals 0. All right? Because we have two variables, we have to apply factoring. And that factoring has to be equal to 0. Does everybody see that? OK. Now, basically, when we have this quadratic, remember I talked about ax squared plus bx plus c. I'll show you the long way, but we're going to need to start doing this in our head pretty soon here. So basically, what I'd like you guys to do is think about the two numbers that multiply to give you c and add to give you b. So basically, we need to figure out two numbers that multiply to give you 16 or add to give you 10. If you're having trouble, write down the factors. And again, I'm just doing the slow for now. And then we'll start moving these. I am going to expect you guys to be able to do these quickly in your head. But I'll break it down for the first one for those of you that need a little bit more practice. Always start with the whole number in 1. And then keep on going down to the next, like 8 and 2 and 4 and 4. OK? Now remember, the middle term, they have to add to 10. Since they have to add to a positive number, all your factors have to be positive. So what is the only two, Josh, that add up to give you 10? Two factors? What are the only two factors that add to give you 10? 8 and 2. 8 and 2. Now remember, we're writing this as a product. So when you're factoring trinomials, that's going to basically give you a binomial times a binomial. If you guys remember doing FOIL, two binomials multiply to give you a trinomial. Now, in that trinomial, x times x gives you x squared. All right? Well, we know our two numbers here are going to multiply. I have to multiply to give us 16. So we'd have plus 8 plus 2. If you guys practice FOIL, what you see is x squared plus 8x plus 2x plus 16 is x squared plus 10x plus 16. Just to verify, guys, I just wanted to show you because I didn't go over this. Remember, factoring produces FOIL, which takes you back to your answer. But that's not what we're going to do. We need to solve by using the zero product property. X plus 8 equals 0. X plus 2 equals 0. Subtract 8. Kind of going through that end part really quickly. But does everybody remember factoring?